Hey, how's it going? I'm going to show you what vegans eat. You'll be surprised, a lot of the same foods that you eat. Just some good replacements, healthier alternatives. This is our new IKEA kitchen that we put together. I'm going to show you our pantry items, our refrigerator, freezer, and I will go over everything in more detail. This is just going to be a quick overview. And you will recognize a lot of the foods in your own pantry. We just have some tricks and substitutes, healthier versions, ones that don't involve animal products and such. But this is just a quick overview right now. Some spices and stuff. So we'll start with our refrigerator. Got the vegan dairy, soy, almond, cashew, our coconut milks, mushrooms, pickles, olives, your typical stuff, vegan versions of mayo. So obviously these are just substitutes without the egg or whatever. Nutritional yeast, good cheese-like replacement. That's healthy. You got the almond cheeses. For the butters, this one is pretty bad. That's olive oil based. I like the this one better. It melts real well. Got the flaxseed for the omega-3s. So you don't do fish, as well as the chia seeds and walnuts. Garlic, very healthy for you. Hummus. Leftover pasta, some really good quality breads, rye breads. With only like 4 ingredients, they're pretty much as hard as a rock. So it's like a meal almost. Got these from a store in New York City. Sells like Russian or Lithuanian breads and stuff. Different cultures. Chocolate's good for you, La Coca. Vegan sweets and snacks. We got some shortbread, chocolate cookies, accidentally vegan Oreos, the chocolate cream in the middle, sour cream, vegetarian refried beans for a Mexican night, some guacamole or avocados. Of course, gotta have hummus for the breads. Pasta for lunch, some wine, flax milk, which has tons of omega-3s. It's just filtered water. And got some cashew milk. Here we have some vegan eggs. Just tried them out. I usually use scrambled tofu for an egg replacement if I want it. Smart Deli meats, as well as tofurkey, which are my favorite. They have so many versions, like peppered, roast beef, bologna, turkey. Just got some produce, a little light right now. Get some kale or spinach for the iron. Usually have that. Some fruit, flour. So that's the refrigerator section. I'll go to the freezer, just jam-packed. Alright, so it's gonna be hard getting everything out here. We got berries, put on oatmeal or cereal usually. Broccoli as a superfood. Peas, good protein source. Not that protein is an issue. One most overrated thing. Some peppers, frozen, so they're not perishable. I like more peas, vegetarian spring rolls, potatoes. Frozen's good too because it has less sodium usually. More broccoli. Broccoli's really good for you. Here's some tuna fish, We get this at an Asian store in downtown Manhattan, Chinatown. They have so many good substitutes. They even have mutton and lobster. Maybe mostly yams. These are really good. These are vegan fish fillets, substitutes. Has some seaweed wrapping and stuff. And I really like this duck. Vegetarian, it's actually vegan duck. I think it's made out of wheat gluten. So if you have an allergy to that, that would be an issue. These are really good. Like I said, they're wrapped in real seaweed. They even have a funny one that's shaped like a fish. Again, usually pretty healthy ingredients overall. Got a lot of squash back here. I love frozen squash. It's like a soup to me. Got some asparagus, cauliflower. There's even vegan prawn or shrimp back there. Vegan ice cream. We usually have some more than that. It says non-dairy on the rim. They have Haagen-Dazs, even Ben & Jerry's now. Vegan prawn is back here. There it is. And chicken strips. And they're made of different things, so if you don't want to avoid soy or whatever, you don't have to get any soy. Some chick patties, buffalo ones. I think those ones aren't completely vegan. Mediterranean chickpea. Have some falafel and stuff in here as well. Pot stickers. Amy's makes some great lunches. So if you get lunch, they have the teriyaki ones, are really good. You can see there's just a lot of food in here. I'm not going to get to it all. A lot of berries, more frozen berries, asparagus spears. Cauliflower. I think that's all I'm going to show you for now. Some more Amy's. These are great for lunch. Trader Joe's has a lot of affordable stuff as well as Whole Foods. I'll have to do it for the freezer items for now. I'll put this back later. You can see there's plenty of food for us to eat. And there's only 2 of us in this household. I'll go to the spices. Spices are really good. Garlic, we also have fresh garlic, obviously, in the refrigerator. These bacon bits are actually made out of soy. So you're probably already eating a lot of vegan things without even realizing it. Turmeric is really good for you. These are for our soda stream. No sugar in them. Natural ingredients. We also use lime or lemon juice. Soda stream is pretty good if you want some fizz. Olive oil. There's sugar in the raw. Happens to be vegan. Not that I get this, protein's not an issue. Just has a lot of good healthy vegetables and everything in it. Really healthy stuff in it. Again, walnuts for omega-3, so you don't need to eat the fish. You can get them on Amazon for fairly cheap, as well as this huge bag of chia seed, which is a superfood, as it says. A lot of healthy stuff in it. So I'll bring you over now to Pantry. Cliff Bars, they're really good. I like the Cool Mint ones. Have a little bit of caffeine in them. All healthy organic ingredients. Peanut butter, like hummus. But my 2 favorite toppings for bread. Got some potato gnocchi. Some of these at the Asian store. These last for a long time since they're dried out. You just add a little water and they perk up. They're pretty good. You find your new favorites. I mean, you might not like different types, but you have to try a few different types of replacers. Pasta, beans, lentils, very healthy for you. Some wild rice down here, some pine nuts, put on some stir fries. I like to make a pasta with some broccoli and olive oil. Those are pretty good. Traditional yeast, again, it's like a cheesy flavor. I've used this as a cheese topping, Parmesan topping. And got a lot of sauce. Ordered these online. Pasta sauce. That's the cabinet. Pizza crust. We make our own vegan pizzas with the almond cheese, of course. Beef-free honey and agave. This is made out of apples. Very healthy. I don't want bee vomit. And there's colony collapses because of what we're doing. More walnuts, some cereals. Lots of oatmeal. And then of course birdseed, because that's all we eat. Chicken. That's for the winter for some of the birds and squirrels in the area. That just about does it. Snack items. So as you can see, for 2 people, there's plenty of food. So if anyone asks you what vegans eat, you can share this video. Ample food. Not going hungry. Check out meatvideo.com or meat.org on factory farms. Just giving up chickens, you'll save about 35 animals a year. And eggs, just save about 35 animals a year. Eat all the burgers you want. Give up the factory farm birds, nasty. And eggs. You can give up the fish, that would even be a bonus, because trawler nets are horrible and rape the oceans. Alright, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please share.